Alright, what's up guys? My name is Zach and today we are bringing the RX-7 to Red Mist Automotive to get fixed. I know it's been sitting for a while ever since whatever happened on Road America, but let's load it up on the trailer, let's get it to Red Mist. So in typical Mike and Adam form, it's almost midnight. Let's get it. It's 11:55 and they say, oh, we're not going to work on the car tonight. But here they are trying to troubleshoot and stuff. Why are you trying to help me? What are you trying to get out of this?
You need help.
I do need help. There he is, the man of the hour, Arc Rotary. Give him a follow.
No, don't do that.
I mean, what are we getting here?
Those are great numbers.
I can't see it at all.
112, 114, and 117. Like, people are stoked on 90. So you're in the hundreds. Usually people get like 60 when it's blown. So you're nearly double that.
So we're good.
Front rotor's good. Rear rotor sounds fine.
Red Mist thumbs up.
212 RPMs, 190, 94, PSI correction, 117, 105, 103. Good as gold.
Alright guys, so we're back out at Red Mist. That's where the car is. That's where we trailered the car to. And so basically we're going through it and Adam found out the issue. So there's a little vacuum line that runs into the back of the ECU that tells the ECU how much vacuum's actually in the engine. That line came out, the engine freaked out, it flooded itself. As you can see, the spark plugs were fouled from that, that's why it would never start again. And it thought the car was at wide open throttle, so it was dumping fuel, bogging it out while it was driving, and then eventually flooding the engine. So it's here at Red Mist now. We are still going to do the full new harness, as well as I think we're going to get a new electric fan because the junkyard fan, it's just time to get rid of it. We're going all out on the RX-7. That's what I've decided, is that I'm just going to go all out on the RX-7. I'm going to get aluminum door cards. We're going to port the engine. As you guys saw, the compression of the engine is actually really good, so I kind of don't want to rip it apart. So right now we're going to focus on, after this video, we're going to do like, you know, suspension, tires. We're going to go all out on the FB. So we're not going to play games anymore, and my goal is to get legitimate stuff on the car. So we can actually go take a look at it inside the shop now. What you doing, bud?
Just going through some instructions that take apart an FD trans.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Oh!
See if I can make it up the ramp.
Oh, please don't die! Oh!
There's a nice lip there.
What if you jumped sideways right there to get up it and then turned and rode?
What if you just jump sideways the whole way up?
Do it with no hands.
That's
That's what. Go Mach 1.
Woo! Now,
You can do it.
Get in the rhythm.
feel the rhythm. Feel the ride.
People ask for longer Rotary Life videos. This is it.
You should totally leave that in.
Arc Rotary, unicyclist.
I haven't gone back for
For the,
ages.
this is the people's champion here, guys.
So,
We finna have a mist life.
Really?
Hi, friend!
Pissing. It's too early in the morning for this. It's 2 in the morning.
It's
Adam, what have you been doing to my car?
2:07.
Breaking and more.
No, I was the one that broke it. Don't give him credit for that.
You didn't really break it. You just unplugged a vacuum line.
Guys, stop!
My dad can beat up your dad.
My dad's stronger than your dad.
He's not. He's way nicer.
All right, so Adam's been wiring it like a madman, which is awesome. Thank you, Adam. Arc Rotary on Instagram. What did you say, Steve?
What?
What'd you say? How's your FD, huh? How's that going?
It's running just as good as your FB.
Oh, okay. It's time for you to go to bed, Mike. It's time for you to go to bed.
I like how you get real like.
Yeah, that's what happens when he's high on Pop-Tarts.
Why are we here at...
Got real wild on Pop-Tarts tonight.
What time
Oh,
is it?
Instagram. 208.
Why can't I see it?
Look
there it
at the
is.
tie-dye. Right here. Right there.
I always
tie-dye.
wear tie-dye.
That's because Hawaiian shirts are the only ones that fit this Samoan looking one.
You're not wrong. I just hate that he's right.
So I'll go pick up for the dime.
Alright guys, so we are back at Red Mist. It is now August 7th. Gone over a month without driving the RX-7. So basically what's going on, I know a lot of different things have been happening in this video. So Adam he's finished the harness. We'll take a look at that in a second. But he finished the harness and he's laying it out so then he can make future harnesses based off that. So any 13B swapped FB, if it needs a harness, he can then make it based off of my harness, which I think is super cool and definitely really cool. So hit up Arc Rotary if you need a harness because now we can make them super easy. Other than that, the AFR gauge, the wideband is in. We just need to mount the actual gauge itself. Haven't decided where I want to do that. I think I want to do the vent next to the steering wheel, but you'll see wherever I end up doing it. So that's basically where the car is right now. Adam said Adam's goal is to get the car running tonight, have it start up and run and idle on its own power tonight. So that's the goal. Right now it's like 8:20, so it might be a late one, but that's the goal. We'll see what happens. If not, no harm, no foul, but I really want to see it run. So let's get back into Red Mist and continue working.
You like to play your own game. Cover it up, don't let them know what you're thinking. I bet you never tell them how it feels. I bet you never even try to be real. Cover it up, you like to play your own game. Cover it up, don't let them know.
Zach, what do you have to say about that? Zach, what do you have to say about that?
It's running. That's all I have to say. It's running. I haven't heard it run in forever. Oh yeah, it sounds fine. Alright, so there you guys have it. That is this episode of Rotary Life. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The car runs again. It's a great feeling to have the car run again. What we did discover, this was my wrongdoing, is that I always thought that the secondaries were wired open on the FB. That was not the case. So we've been down on top end power ever since we did the swap. So the next video will be dyno tuning the RX-7 because Red Mist did get a dyno, so we can actually tune it on the dyno, tune the Mega Squirt, and all that stuff, which is super, super exciting. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to rate the video, comment on the video, and subscribe if you really liked it. Take care, guys.
was a sight for my soul.